Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Thursday evening, 9:30, almost to our 10 o'clock newscast starting shortly. Still tracking widespread rain, heavy at times, and turning colder on Friday, and this will transition over to some light snow showers at times. So kind of a changeable weather here next 24 hours, but here's the radar showing the precipitation. The temperatures as of the 9, almost 10 o'clock hour in the mid-30s, and actually upper 30s to near 40 along the South Shore. So it's chilly, just not quite cold enough to support snow yet. But feel as though as colder air comes in on Friday, we'll see a transition over to at least some snow showers. But you see the widespread rain on top of us on Doppler radar right now. System that we're tracking moving across the upper Midwest and the Ohio Valley. This all has to slide through over the next 24 hours. When we take this into the future, rain continues overnight. Now, here we are at about the 8 o'clock Friday morning with actually light rain and light snow showers. But as it turns colder, notice how you start to see more shades of blue passing through during Friday afternoon and Friday evening. That represents some light snow, and that'll continue into early on Friday evening. Now, we're not getting a snowstorm with lots of accumulations, but we still feel as though there'll be some small amounts, especially in the northern part of the state. And we'll show you that in more detail in just a second. Winter weather advisory and winter storm warnings confined to central and northern New England, the areas in purple. It does not include southern New England. That's not to say that we won't have some snow on Friday, albeit light. And we'll take a look at, the bulk of the snow here is essentially Mass Pike north, especially up in southern Vermont, to southern New Hampshire, out towards the Manchester area, and north of the Mass Pike. We're getting real close. Now, as far as snow locally here, and here's the breakdown as to what it will look like on Friday evening, anywhere from a coating to an inch in the far northern part of the state, northeast Connecticut, northern Bristol County, right up in here. South and east of that, including Providence Metro, looking at about a coating. In fact, there's a more detailed look as to how it all plays out. And once again, let me get rid of my big mug here. And you can see this is a close-up look. And this is Route 6, Route 44, Burrville, Foster, Gloucester, Cumberland, Lincoln, right in here. Especially 295, which is right here, north and west, coating to an inch. And then south and east of that, including Providence Metro, generally a coating. And that wouldn't be realized until actually Friday evening. All right, Friday morning, maybe a light rain shower early. By late morning, it's kind of a mix of light rain and light snow showers starting off in the upper 30s. Roads will be just damp. And then Friday afternoon, as it turns colder, light snow showers. And what I envision here is initially the snow is really going to melt on the pavement because the temperature is above freezing. So these small coatings to an inch of snow that we're forecasting is generally on non-paved surfaces. But as it turns even colder Friday night, anything wet may turn a little icy, so there may be some slick spots on Friday evening. So just be mindful of that. All right, that is your latest Weather Now update. You're going to want to check in with Michelle, meteorologist Michelle Muscatello, early on Friday morning, starting on 12 News. And, of course, they start very early at 4:30 a.m. All right, that is your latest forecast. Thanks for logging in.